Good morning, How We Roll Auto. We got the new diff in from Quick Performance. That is a 355 True Track. We got a new headliner that's 90% installed. Got the new cell panels in. We got to just put those in and tighten that cell panel back up one more snug. Went ahead and put a 90 amp PowerMaster alternator in last night. That'll give me 80 amps at idle. I think it said it was 112 at cruising. I can't remember what it said after that, but that should take care of my discharge problem I had when I ran my dual electric fans with my AC unit. My blower on the AC. Got the charging cable, a 4 ohm charging cable, rerouted. Just gotta cut it and crimp a new fitting on it. Goes to the battery terminal. I'm gonna take the extra. I'm gonna wrap it in black and then use that as a new grounding strap. But I don't know that I really need a new grounding strap. My grounding strap is pretty good. And then, other than that, we got to put a new oil pan in this bad bear, and she shall be buttoned up. Sit back and enjoy some How We Roll Auto bonus footage, but don't get too excited, because it ain't that great.
Changing the oil pan on the Roadrunner. Going to put this pan copper colored pan on there. Milladon pan. Chad taking all the bolts off after I did all the hardware.
And the bonus is while I'm doing it, I'm getting secondhand cigarette smoke. Which is, lovely for a non-smoker. Kind of hits you.
Yeah, kind of get him a buzz. He don't do nothing anymore. He's getting too old, so I thought I'd give him a buzz.